Hey guys, quick review here of the Flatson KMF1 multi-effects pedal. Thing is awesome. I'm going to run through some of the features. They sent me a sample of the product to try it out, manufacturer did, and really digging it. I've played guitar for about 15 years and this was very intuitive, a ton of features. Right off the bat, one of my favorite things is how big the tuner is. So you won't hear volume right now just because I'm plucking away, getting it tuned, but it's got the really big letters, which is nice. So presets, pretty cool. Here's just a basic one. Kind of a clean pickup right off the bat. Just kind of go through, try number 13, this one's called Voodoo. You hear a ton of variation. So yeah, kind of like a chorusy one, real heavy duty, kind of 70s vibe. So you can get it real clean, real dirty, like distortion sound, whatever you kind of want. I'm just going to go back to number 10. I've been playing with that one. Ton of features on that. The drums are pretty sweet too. You can turn the drums on, kick them on, and they'll be like rolling with you, which is pretty nice. Set like the standard settings, and then you can just like, they get pretty loud. That can be the issue. So yeah, I just turned them all the way down there, but then you can just kind of bring them in however much you want. So like having drums to be able to play with you is pretty sweet. I don't always use them. I use quite a bit of the other stuff too. So I just muted the drums there, but then you can kind of turn on the individual effects as you want, which is really nice. So hop out of here and then go back to like your main features again, go back into my drums. You can still hear it rolling there. Back here, go down to like, let's try, you know, blues here. Yeah, I'll bring in a little bit of the drums with it now. So you hear just the click. Now I'll turn the repeats up even more, turn the volume up. You can get super nitty gritty with this guy, which is really cool. And you'll see them just here play out. But okay, maybe I don't want the delay on. Maybe I want to mess with my reverb instead, like subdivisions, which is really nice. So you can change those around. Back over in my reverb now, and I want my reverb to be way louder, so I'm just going to turn the level way up here. And now I'll have a really loud spring reverb. Wait, I got to re-enable it. And then pretend, hey, maybe it didn't turn out like I wanted it to at all. I'll just go back to the memory. I can save my presets. I'll just change it totally. So being able to save presets like that is so wild. That's just an introduction deep dive. A ton of good sounds. Like if you're looking for a kind of grab and go, I would think this would be great for like live jamming in such a small package, kind of digital emulator. Really like it. If you've never had a guitar pedal before, this would be really fun to pick up and try out.